Feeling it?
Yep.
These tires are so sticky. You seen those videos where people like crash right into the ditch? Yeah.
Yeah, you want to do that?
Too much power. It's for cars like this.
You betcha. Or cars even heavier than
You have
this.
to respect it.
Respect the car.
Fear the car. This kind of car, you don't really need music.
Holy hell.
Wait. Get down here.
Ah, yeah.
Like, first and second gear, you can't do anything. Third gear, it pulls hard. It doesn't spin unless you hit a little crack in the road, and then it should go up and smoke. And you gotta be ready for it, because you're going fast. This is the stretch that I like. What's that noise at? What
That's
is
the
that?
blower.
Is that the supercharger making
No,
that?
that's the synchro.
Holy crap. My balls just went up inside.
I'm not really holding on to it either. Like, I'm feathering the throttle because it just. Thankfully, there's a rev limiter on it and it cuts out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you just blow it all up.
Oh my god. There's no quick shift in this thing, is there?
No.
No. That's kind of a good thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Holy jeepers. That is nuts.
Modern power though is just it's so much better. It's a 6.2, like it's not even a big motor. It's a small motor and there's not a lot of boost. It runs about 5 to 7 pounds of boost. So it'll do that all day long and never blow up. It'll just blow things up
Yep.
that are in the way.
like a missile.
Like a U-joint and a drive shaft.
I can't even imagine the stress that drive shaft's under when you're doing that.
Yeah.
Outrageous. No, can you drop me off at the church, please? I think I need to do some praying now.